Have a nice day, students. I'm pretty good. Hope you all are also good. Today topic is ninth unit money, banking and inflation. Mainly this unit subdivided into three parts that are money, part A, part B deals with banking, part C deals with inflation. Today we will discuss about part A, money. In this we have to discuss concept of money, evolution and types, and also functions of money. Money concept. Money occupies an unique place in any economic system. Society needs money for a variety of transactions like daily needs undertaken by the people and the government in day to day life. Money plays a significant role in the modern economic life of the human beings. Nowadays, we cannot imagine a society without a role of money. Between the society and the people, huge transactions made by the money. Okay, students. Now we will observe and understand the evolutionary steps of money. Prior to the introduction of money, the barter system was in vogue. In that system, one commodity was exchanged for another commodity. See in the picture, they are exchanging goods. Here, no money for the medium of exchange. Only commodities are exchanged by them. Hence, it is called commodity money or barter system. Barter system followed by metallic money. Metallic money undergone three stages that are gold coins, silver coins, bronze coins. Students, here I want to give you few GK points. Gold coins are introduced in our India by Gupta dynasty. Silver coins are introduced in our India by Kushan dynasty, mainly the king Kanishka. Bronze coins are introduced in our India, Tughlaq dynasty in Delhi Sultanate, mainly Muhammad bin Tughlaq. For this act, he adopted a name Pichi Tughlaq. Metallic money followed by paper money. This is the third stage of evolution of money. For example, students, paper notes in different nations are: in our India, we call our currency rupee. In United States of America, calls dollar. In Japanese, yen, their currency. Currency of UK is pound sterling. Except UK, in different nations of European states, except United Kingdom, all European countries are as follows euro currency since 2000-2001. Students understand here, total continent follows only one type of currency except UK since 2001. Paper money followed by bank money or credit money, that are debit cards, credit cards, checks, demand drafts. These we know already in the field trip of banking services. Okay, children, now we will summing up this evolution of money. Children, prior to the introduction of money, the barter system was in vogue. That is also known as barter system or commodity money. Here, things and animals are interexchanged. The second stage is metallic money. In that, three stages are there: gold coins, silver coins, followed by bronze coins, followed by paper currency. Here we observe different currency notes in different nations, followed by bank money or credit money. Students, observe here, these we apply into history. Commodity money lies in barter system. Barter system is there in a Neolithic age period. Metallic money introduced in coinage period, means kingdoms are came, followed by paper money, followed by bank money. Now you are observe these two stages also. in your real life situations. Thank you, children.